Am I the jerk for telling my son he deserved his girlfriend breaking up with him? I absolutely love this story off bat. I love this story based on the title alone. This mama told him that he deserved to be broken up with. Let's get into this post. Her son is 22 years old. The now ex girlfriend is 21. So she says, my son recently got dumped by his girlfriend of almost 3 years. He's been acting like the victim ever since. He moved back into my house temporarily after college, so I've had a front row seat to the entire relationship for the past year. For context, his ex was genuinely lovely. She was polite, hardworking, and honestly bent over backwards for him. She'd drive an hour to see him, help him edit resumes, bring him food during exams, remember birthdays in our family, etc. Meanwhile, my son treated her like she was optional. I will come back to all of that. He constantly canceled plans with her to play video games with his friends, ignored her texts for hours, and made jokes at her expense in front of people. More than once, I pulled him aside and told him he was going to lose her if he kept acting like she'd never leave. The final straw happened last month during my husband's birthday dinner. She spent the whole afternoon helping me cook. My son showed up late, barely acknowledged her, then spent most of dinner scrolling on his phone. At one point, she asked him if he could help carry dessert plates to the table, and he literally said, "Why? You're already up." The room went dead silent. She looked embarrassed, finished dinner quietly, and left early. 2 days later, she broke up with him. Now he's devastated, keeps saying he doesn't understand what happened and that she gave up too easily. Last night, he was ranting about how unfair it was and asking me if women expect perfection now. I finally snapped and told him, no, she expected basic respect, and honestly, you deserve to get dumped. He got really upset and accused me of taking her side over my own son. My husband thinks I should have been gentler because he's already hurting, but I'm tired of watching him avoid accountability while acting blindsided. Now things are tense in the house, and my son barely speaks to me. This son could learn something. He could learn something from this relationship ending, and he could learn something from his mama having this type of conversation with him. But young ladies can learn even more. I keep saying that young ladies in their 20s need to stop giving their 20s to a man, stop doing so much for them, and make them hold their own nuts. Right here, I said I was going to come back to this. So it says she would drive an hour to see him, help him edit resumes, bring him food during exams, remember birthdays in our family. So she's carrying the mental load. She's doing work for him. She's doing work. She's doing this unpaid labor. She's driving. So she's using her time, energy, and resources to come see him. And meanwhile, he's blowing her off. What I keep saying about young ladies need to pour into themselves. All of that energy that she poured into this man who was taking her for granted, not supporting her, not reciprocating, she could have been putting that into herself. She learned a valuable lesson. But this is the reason why I say, don't do these things for these people. Don't fill out their resumes. Don't help them with applications. Don't help them study. Make them do these things on their own. He had too much time to F off, obviously, that he couldn't do things with her or for her. He's sitting up here canceling plans and not paying attention to her. And I think he could possibly learn his lesson because mama is not coddling him. And this is the type of thing that these people need. However, there is a good chance that he won't learn everything. This could be his villain origin story because he thinks that he's the victim because this woman left. But the thing is, he caused it, but his daddy is not telling him what is reality. His daddy wants to coddle. So he may never learn anything and he may continue to take women for granted just like he took this this genuinely lovely young lady for granted. I love this story though. Ipongeta says, wow, good for you for holding him accountable and not coddling him. Not the jerk, and hopefully your son learns his lesson and treats future girlfriends better. And so here's the OP saying, Hopefully, he learns and grows from this experience. River Song says, that'll only work if your husband, exactly, this is what I said, that'll only work if your husband starts backing you up. If he stays silent, your son will keep feeding his disrespect, sexism, and misogyny. His behavior and complaints already smell of manosphere crap. You're not the jerk, but your husband needs to step up. Tennessee Bell says, I'm guessing the kid learned it somewhere, and it kind of sounds like it came from dad, and maybe that's the reason why dad won't back her up. Low Atmosphere says, this times a million. Turbulent Pen honed in on smell of manosphere crap, and then says, exactly, this smells like adolescence. Rolling Forest sounds like a man saying, treating a partner badly doesn't necessarily have to have anything to do with sexism. If a woman treated her boyfriend badly, would you assume she was sexist as well? Whataboutism, thinking that you can just flip the genders and things would fit perfectly for a hypothetical. I love that Mama Cat called him out on this comment, talking about F right off with that men are victims too bull. It's about a basic power dynamic in a patriarchal society. Refresh my memory. Did men have to wait almost 150 years after us officially becoming a nation to gain the right to vote? Almost 200 years for the right to get loans, credit, mortgage, etc., solely under their own name? To have to fight for the right to become doctors, lawyers, politicians, senators, to even attend college. Who was our last female president out of 47? Refresh my memory, please. What are the stats by gender on grape, stalking, DV? Go ahead, tell us. Just the tip of the long list. Exactly. Men have never been oppressed in this society the way women have been. So I really can't stand the way they act like sexism and misogyny haven't impacted the power dynamics of these relationships. It's obtuse and it is quite disgusting. Previous Charity said, not the jerk. I would actually consider showing him this post. He needs to understand that if he's going to act single, he's going to be single. In addition, he disrespected her in front of his family. His ex deserved better, and only a woman with low self esteem would accept that treatment. Here's the OP saying, you make a fair point. Thanks for sharing. Confusable Fraggle, I like that name, says maybe consider a short text to her saying no hard feelings about the breakup. She certainly sounds like a genuinely good person, and for nobody to take her side in the moment probably hurt her. Dale A. Lace says, I thought about this too. If he genuinely doesn't know what he did wrong, he certainly will after reading the comments. And then we got Unwarranted Optimism says, as a mom to 3 humans, she has 2 sons and a daughter. If either of my sons or my daughter's boyfriend ever behave like that, I too would have warned them like you did. Wherever he's getting the input that his behavior is even a little bit okay needs to be addressed. You absolutely did the right thing, and you are 100% not the a-hole. Greenie Raven says, does your husband treat you like this? She didn't answer that question. Informal Matter says, nope, not the jerk. He deserved what he got, and being called out like this may help prevent this from happening with his next significant other. The OP says, I appreciate your perspective. Thank you. This person says, kudos. No one likes to hurt their child, but short-term pain could be a long-term gain. And Gentle Muse X says, exactly. Sometimes a wake-up call is the only way people learn. Infamous Cup says, sounds like your husband should have stepped up and taught him how to treat women better. If he can't be helpful, then he needs to sit down and shut up. Maybe you should be the next woman to gain some self-respect and balance, not the jerk. Second Cup of Coffee says, ask him sometime to define what he believes a girlfriend should provide in a relationship. Then ask him what he provides. Think he may see a problem. Wonder what he would have done if that girlfriend treated him the way he treated her. What do y'all think about this? I absolutely love what this mother did, but remember, do not give your 20s to a man, and make sure you are talking to your daughters, your cousins, your little sisters, your aunties, the barista down the street, so they don't get caught up in these types of traps.